Hello everyone, I'm Eddie V. Welcome to the channel, and in today's channel we're fighting FMCSA again. Okay guys, so this is not as bad as the FMCSA's speed limiter rule. FMCSA didn't do that. Looks like they listened to us truckers. FMCSA as a warning, please do not impose or implement the speed limiter rule on semi trucks. Please, if you're listening to this video. Also, hopefully FMCSA does see this video. But guys, as truckers, I got a link down below where you got 60 days to comment on what you think. Basically, guys, FMCSA wants to make all semi trucks, all the pre-2000 gliders, ELD compliant, which I think is stupid. I'm gonna get that in a second. The Asian Mai Show, link in the description below, has talked about that. And then down below, guys, the link to the FMCSA comment section on the topic. Please, truck drivers, comment if you do not want ELDs. I also do not want an ELD period. Like on newer trucks, they should get rid of it. Now, let's get into the problems. FMCSA, you need to listen to this. One problem: not all trucks, especially if you get even older engines, have ELD capabilities. In order to do that, you need to change out at least the ECUs or the ECMs, and that's going to cost money for a lot of small businesses and truckers. So basically, FMCSA, that's one problem. Second problem is accidents going to increase. Here's how. This happens with ELDs. So FMCSA, please seriously think of taking off ELD from truck drivers. Here's how it goes. When you're limited to even 70 miles an hour or 65 or 67, because trucking goes everywhere in the United States and the speed limits are usually 70, but you're going 65 or 67. Besides the point, here's what happens even if your truck is not limited to 65 miles an hour as well. Basically, when you're going down the road, you have ELD, and have done this before. It's very dangerous. You're trying to drive safe, but you see you're running out of time. So you actually mash the throttle. If you can't go fast on the highways, what you do is you go fast on the country roads where it's 55 and you're pushing 65 plus. You're going through faster school zones. You're going fast through cities, just so you don't have a violation on your dumb ELD to make it to a truck stop or a place to park your truck so you won't have a violation. So yes, guys, FMCSA, those are the issues going on. So please do not implement this rule. Actually, FMCSA, you got to start leaving us truckers alone. We are burdened by your dumb rule making. Trucking used to be a lot more fun 20 years ago than what it is now. You FMCSA are the worst. You don't know nothing about trucking and nothing what truckers do and go through. So if you don't want to be without food, leave us alone, because someday you'll regret, and us truckers will one day strike to where you can't do anything about it. Just say that could happen. So FMCSA, please listen to it, because we do not need ELDs on pre-2000 engines. That's what there is for. Most of the trucks actually out here right now have ELDs, so there's no point of having to enforce that rule. Alright guys, so do your part. If you don't want this rule making, comment in the comment section, in the comment link below that I gave you guys to comment on the FMCSA website. Tweet them on Twitter not to do it. And also, guys, let's see here, what other one is there? Oh yeah, go on their YouTube page and comment on their YouTube page as well. Thank you guys, thank you for watching, and truckers, let's have our voice be heard. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2064 turn right.
driving attempt on the 6 Series.